website uses AI like Gemini to help predict bias in dataset and machine learning model. So how we do is over here we can press it to get any analysis on these data files. Like here we have a set of example data files which we analyze for bias. We check for bias. Here we take targets for checking bias like age, race. These are all the different things we have here, and this also different things that are here. Like this, there are this can be also another data set. This can be another data set, and what it shows is it shows like this. There are three steps. We upload data, AI analyzes for bias, and AI gives the action to fix it. So these are all the metrics we use